Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Bench. I'm Grace, and this is episode 4 of our Real English A to Z series.
Episode 4. Jack here. And I have to say, Episode 3 got so many amazing responses. So many of you shared your daily routines in the comments, and honestly, I was impressed.
Someone from Nigeria wrote, I wake up at 5, pray, make tea, then walk 45 minutes to work. I do this every single day. That was so beautiful and so real.
And someone from Bangladesh said, I usually have rice for breakfast, which honestly surprised me, but also made me want to try it immediately.
Right? Rice for breakfast. I'm curious now. If you haven't commented yet, go back to episode 3. We are waiting for your routine.
But today is honestly one of my favorite topics we've done so far. Grace, tell them.
Today, we are talking about likes and dislikes. Do you like pizza? Do you like jazz music? Do you like waking up early? These simple questions and the beautiful, natural ways to answer them.
And I want to say right now, if your answer to every question is just yes or no, this episode is going to change your English forever.
Yes or no is a complete answer, technically, but in real English conversation, it sounds flat. It closes the conversation.
Like, do you like coffee? Yes. End of conversation. Awkward silence.
So awkward. Versus, do you like coffee? Oh, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I literally cannot start my day with a strong cup.
See the difference? The second answer opens a whole conversation. Someone might say, oh, really? What kind? Or, me too. Where do you get yours?
One answer closes the door. The other one opens it wide. Today, we are opening doors.
Grace, before we get into the phrases, let's make sure everyone understands the grammar. How do we form a do you like question?
Perfect starting point. The structure is do plus subject plus like plus noun or verb with ing. So, do you like pizza? Do you like swimming? Do you like jazz music?
And when we talk about he, she, or it, we use does instead of do. Does she like coffee? Does he like traveling?
And here is the key rule. When we use does, the main verb goes back to the base form. We say, does she like, not does she likes. The S moves to does, not the main verb.
Right. So it's does she like, not does she likes. This is one of the most common mistakes we'll talk about later.
Let me ask you, Jack, do you like mornings?
Do I like mornings? Grace, that question offended me personally.
A strong reaction. That's good, but tell us why.
I absolutely cannot stand mornings. I am not a morning person. My alarm goes off and I think, who invented this? Why does this exist? I hit snooze until I'm almost late every single day.
That is honestly so relatable. And see what Jack did there? He didn't just say no. He gave us a feeling, a story, even a little humor.
That is real English. That is how native speakers answer. Not just yes or no, but with color, with personality, with feeling.
Now, let's build your vocabulary toolbox. We're going to go through the complete preference scale, from the most positive to the most negative.
I love this part. Let's do it.
At the very top of the scale, love. When you love something, you feel very strong positive emotion about it.
I love Italian food. I could eat pasta for every single meal and never get bored.
I love rainy days. There is something so cozy about rain when you are inside with a good book.
Then comes like. Like is positive, but less intense than love. It's comfortable, enjoyable, but not passionate.
I like going to the gym. I feel good after, even though starting is always the hard part.
I like meeting new people. It's not my absolute favorite thing, but I enjoy it.
Then don't mind. This is the middle of the scale, neutral territory. You're okay with something. It doesn't make you happy or unhappy.
I don't mind vegetables. I'll eat them. They're fine. I just don't get excited about them.
I don't mind working late sometimes. It's not my preference, but I can handle it.
Then dislike. This is mild negative. You prefer not to do or have something, but you're not dramatically upset about it.
I dislike crowded shopping malls. Too much noise, too many people, too much going on.
I dislike waking up before 6. It feels unnatural to me, like my body is protesting.
And at the very bottom of the scale, can't stand and hate. These are both very strong negative feelings. Can't stand is slightly more casual. Hate is very direct and strong.
I absolutely cannot stand traffic. Sitting in a car going nowhere, it drives me crazy.
I hate the feeling of being late. It gives me anxiety immediately.
So the full scale from top to bottom: love, like, don't mind, dislike, can't stand, hate.
Beautiful summary. Now let's add the natural, casual phrases that native speakers use alongside these basic words.
These are the phrases that will make your English sound truly fluent. Ready?
First phrase, I'm obsessed with. This is even stronger than love. It suggests you think about something constantly. You can't get enough of it.
I am completely obsessed with coffee. I have 3 cups a day minimum. My friends say it's a problem.
Is it a problem?
Probably yes, but it's my problem, and I'm at peace with it.
Second phrase, I'm a huge fan of. This is very positive. It suggests you appreciate something deeply.
I'm a huge fan of live music. Something about hearing it in person just hits differently than listening through headphones.
I'm a huge fan of long walks. They clear my head better than anything else.
Third phrase, it's one of my favorite things. This shows strong preference without being extreme.
Cooking dinner while listening to music, it's honestly one of my favorite things about the evening.
Discovering a new restaurant, it's one of my favorite things to do on weekends.
Now on the negative side. First, not really my thing. This is polite and casual. You're expressing dislike without sounding harsh.
Horror movies are not really my thing. I know lots of people love them, they're just not for me.
Very loud parties are not really my thing. I prefer smaller, more intimate gatherings.
Second negative phrase, I'm not a big fan of. A little stronger than not my thing. You genuinely don't enjoy something.
I'm not a big fan of fast food. Once in a while is fine, but regularly, no thank you.
I'm not a big fan of awkward silences. They make me nervous and I start talking too much to fill them.
That is very relatable.
I know, it's a problem.
Third negative phrase, it's not for me. Polite, neutral, personal. You're not judging it, you're just saying it doesn't suit you.
Extreme sports are just not for me. I admire people who do them, but the idea of jumping out of a plane, no thank you.
Waking up at 4 in the morning for a workout, that is not for me. I have limits.
And finally, the most versatile phrase on the negative side, I can't stand. Use this when something really bothers you.
I can't stand when people are rude to service workers. It's one of the things that upsets me the most.
I can't stand sitting in meetings that could have been an email. Time is precious, you know?
Very relatable in the workplace.
Okay, if you are enjoying this episode, please like the video and subscribe to the Speak Bench. We genuinely appreciate every single like and subscription.
And comment below. Tell us something you're obsessed with and something you can't stand. We want to see your answers.
Now, let's put all of this into real conversations. We're going to go through 5 categories together: food, music, hobbies, travel, and daily life situations.
Excited. Let's start with food, because food is the most universal topic. Everyone has opinions about food.
Okay, Grace, do you like spicy food?
I like a little bit of spice, but very, very spicy food is honestly not really my thing. My eyes water, my nose runs. It's just not a pleasant experience for me. What about you?
Oh, I'm obsessed with spicy food. The spicier, the better. I put hot sauce on literally everything. My friends refuse to let me choose the restaurant anymore because I always pick the spiciest place.
That is such a Jack answer. Do you like seafood?
Honestly, I'm not a huge fan. I'll eat it if there's no other option, but it's definitely not my first choice. Something about the texture, it's just not for me. You?
I'm absolutely obsessed with seafood. Shrimp, salmon, scallops, I love all of it. It's probably one of my favorite food categories.
See, we are very different. Do you like sushi?
I love sushi. It's one of my favorite things to order when I go out. What about you?
I don't mind sushi, actually. It's one of the few seafood things I genuinely enjoy.
Notice something interesting? Jack doesn't mind sushi, even though he doesn't like seafood in general. That's why the phrase, "it depends," is so useful.
Exactly. Sometimes our preferences are nuanced, not black and white.
Like, do you like desserts? It depends on what kind. I love chocolate desserts, but I can't stand anything with artificial fruit flavor.
That is such a specific preference, but totally valid.
Now, let's talk about music. Jack, what kind of music do you like?
I'm a huge fan of rock music, especially from the 70s and 80s, classic stuff. Also, I really like hip-hop from the 90s. That era had something special.
Interesting. I'm more of a jazz and classical music person. Something about the complexity of it, I find it deeply satisfying.
Do you like pop music at all?
I don't mind pop music in the background, but it's not something I'd actively choose to listen to. It's a bit too predictable for me.
Fair. Do you like live concerts?
I love live concerts. There's an energy that you just cannot get from recordings. The crowd, the moment, the performance, it's electric.
Same here. Even if you don't love a particular artist, live music has something magical about it.
And notice, we can like the experience even if we don't like every element. I might not love pop music, but I can still love the experience of a pop concert.
Exactly. Preferences are layered. Your English should reflect that complexity.
Let's move to hobbies. This is such a good conversation topic because hobbies reveal personality.
Grace, do you like cooking?
I love cooking. It's honestly therapeutic for me. After a long day, chopping vegetables and making something from scratch, it completely clears my head.
That's so interesting because I can't stand cooking. To me, it feels like so much effort for something that's gone in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Jack, do you even chew your food?
I chew very efficiently. Do you like baking? Because that seems like even more work than cooking.
I like baking, but not as much as cooking. Baking requires precision. You have to measure everything exactly. Cooking is more creative, more free.
Perfect. Try another one.
Does she likes coffee?
Listeners?
Oh, the extra S. When we use does, the verb goes back to base form. Does she like coffee, not likes.
Exactly. Does already carries the third person information. The main verb doesn't need to repeat it.
One more. Do you like to swim or do you like swimming?
This is actually a great question. Both are correct after like. I like swimming and I like to swim both work. With like specifically, you can use either the gerund, ing, or the infinitive, to plus verb.
Oh, interesting. So both are fine?
With like, both are fine, but with love and hate, the gerund sounds more natural in everyday speech. I love swimming sounds more natural than I love to swim.
That's such a subtle but important detail. Grammar rules sometimes have this kind of nuance that only comes from listening to real conversations.
Which is exactly why you're here at the Speak Bench.
Okay, rapid fire practice round. I will ask quick, do you like questions, and Grace will answer using different vocabulary each time. Listeners, follow along and think about your own answers.
Go ahead, Jack.
Do you like chocolate?
I'm absolutely obsessed with dark chocolate. Milk chocolate, not really my thing.
Do you like mornings?
I like them actually, once the coffee kicks in.
Do you like surprises?
It depends on the kind of surprise. Good surprises, yes. Unexpected bad news, definitely not.
Do you like public speaking?
I don't mind it now, but I used to be terrified of it. Practice really does help.
Do you like rainy days?
I love them. Best days for staying in, making soup, and reading.
Do you like silence?
I actually love silence. It's becoming rarer, and I appreciate it more and more.
Do you like being the center of attention?
I don't mind it at work when I'm teaching or presenting, but socially, I prefer not to be. I'm more of a background person.
Do you like cold weather?
I'm a huge fan of cold weather. Warm clothes, hot drinks, cozy evenings. What's not to like?
Fantastic. Every answer was different, natural, and revealed something real about Grace's personality.
And that's the goal. Not just answering the question, but letting the other person know you a little better through your answer.
Now, listeners, it's your turn. Pause the video right now. Answer these 8 questions out loud using the vocabulary from today. Chocolate, mornings, surprises, public speaking, rain, silence, attention, cold weather.
Use different phrases each time. Don't say I like or I don't like for every single one. Mix it up. Obsessed with, not my thing. Don't mind, can't stand. Love, it depends. Use them all.
That's such a subtle but important detail. Grammar rules sometimes have this kind of nuance that only comes from listening to real conversations.
Which is exactly why you're here at the Speak Bench.
Okay, rapid fire practice round. I will ask quick, do you like questions, and Grace will answer using different vocabulary each time. Listeners, follow along and think about your own answers.
Go ahead, Jack.
Do you like chocolate?
I'm absolutely obsessed with dark chocolate. Milk chocolate, not really my thing.
Do you like mornings?
I like them actually, once the coffee kicks in.
Do you like surprises?
It depends on the kind of surprise. Good surprises, yes. Unexpected bad news, definitely not.
Do you like public speaking?
I don't mind it now, but I used to be terrified of it. Practice really does help.
Do you like rainy days?
I love them. Best days for staying in, making soup, and reading.
Do you like silence?
I actually love silence. It's becoming rarer, and I appreciate it more and more.
Do you like being the center of attention?
I don't mind it at work when I'm teaching or presenting, but socially, I prefer not to be. I'm more of a background person.
Do you like cold weather?
I'm a huge fan of cold weather. Warm clothes, hot drinks, cozy evenings. What's not to like?
Fantastic. Every answer was different, natural, and revealed something real about Grace's personality.
And that's the goal. Not just answering the question, but letting the other person know you a little better through your answer.
Now, listeners, it's your turn. Pause the video right now. Answer these 8 questions out loud using the vocabulary from today. Chocolate, mornings, surprises, public speaking, rain, silence, attention, cold weather.
Use different phrases each time. Don't say I like or I don't like for every single one. Mix it up. Obsessed with, not my thing. Don't mind, can't stand. Love, it depends. Use them all.
Grace, we have covered so much today. The preference scale, 8 new natural phrases, 5 conversation categories, common grammar mistakes, and a rapid-fire practice round.
Episode 4 complete. And honestly, I think this episode gives our listeners the vocabulary to sound genuinely fluent in everyday conversations.
Completely agree. Preferences come up in literally every conversation, every single one. This vocabulary will be used daily.
Challenge this week. Comment one thing you are obsessed with and one thing you absolutely cannot stand. Write it in English using our new phrases. Not just yes or no, full sentences.
And episode 5 is coming next week. How much is this? We are going to the store and learning all the shopping English you need to know.
Jack is going to practice not adding hot sauce to everything in the store.
I make no promises.
Thank you so much for being here for episode 4. Subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and share it with someone who is on their English journey.
I'm Jack from the Speak Bench, where real conversations meet real English.
And I'm Grace. See you in episode 5. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Now go tell someone what you love in English with full sentences. We'll be checking the comments.